This amazing drink helps burn belly fat in just 48 hours. You should definitely try it. I will help you boost your metabolism and lose weight much faster. The important thing is that you need to know how to use it effectively. I will show you the effective way to use it at the end of the video, and now I will show you the recipe. Firstly, you need to prepare lemon. Drinking lemon water, especially on an empty stomach, is very effective for losing belly fat as it improves your digestion and boosts your metabolic rate. The main difficulty in getting rid of belly fat relates to slow metabolism. Metabolism can decline for many reasons. It can be due to aging or lifestyle behaviors such as being sedentary, being under large amounts of stress, skipping meals, and not getting adequate sleep. That's why drinking lemon water can be a great benefit to anyone who wants to get rid of belly fat, as it can boost metabolism, helping the body burn more calories and losing weight easier. Now, prepare 1 lemon and cut it in half. If you don't have a lemon, you can use an orange. Next, prepare 2 liters of water and squeeze lemon juice into it. The next ingredient of this recipe is cinnamon. This spice not only aids the metabolism but also has a regulatory effect on blood sugar levels and simultaneously increase insulin levels in your body. Since high blood sugar levels can lead to increased fat storage by the body, cinnamon helps prevent this increased storage of fat and helps you lose weight. In addition, cinnamon also delays the passing of food on your stomach into your intestine. It makes you feel satisfied for a longer time and it lasts, leading to weight loss. Besides a wonderful function for weight loss, cinnamon has many healing properties, which keep your body protected from harmful pathogens. It can relieve your body of dangerous toxins thanks to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. It also improves your digestive health and can manage your blood sugar levels. Now, prepare 2 cinnamon sticks and add them in water. Next, add 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. Stir well to mix the ingredients together. Your weight loss drink is ready. You should pour it into the jars and keep it in the fridge. You can drink it throughout the day, but to improve the results, be sure to drink a cup half an hour before the 3 main meals. This drink is for immediate consumption. Nothing should be left over and consumed the following day. By combining the consumption of this drink with a healthy diet, you will see surprising results in no time at all.